I will demonstrate a quadrat sampling. With me, I have made a 1 by 1 meters quadrat, which ends here, and another one ends there. Okay. So, in this quadrat, what are you supposed to identify? We have grasses. We only have one type of grass. You can see the flower. It's a type that survives, and there is a thick vegetation cover. We also have a few scatterings of different type of vegetation, like this. So when I check, I only have these two species covering the ground, and the ground is 100% covered with grass. So in terrestrial, you are supposed to also get the height of the vegetation. For the flower is up to 63 meters, but generally the leaves, the grass is up to around 50. 40 meters. About 40 meters. So your work is to divide the quadrat into 4. In this corner, identify the percentage cover is already 100%. There is no space in between here. But there is water, because when you step on it, it's like sponge. So after you have established the first quadrat, you have a measuring tape. And this tape, if it can be 10 meters or so, but for demonstration purposes, we have only placed another quadrat at 5 meters. So this is our next quadrat, which is between 4 and 5 meters. And you can also see right here that now we have few vegetation, we have scatterings, or there is percentage of soil being visible. There is even a pool. My God, it will swallow the entire meter. So this tells you that below here there is deep water. It is a pond. We are just on top of a pond, and you can see this grass rots and it becomes black. And it is only one specific type of grass that you find here. So if you were to estimate the cover, you divide your quadrat into 4. So in this corner, you can see it is around 50%, 70% covered with exposed soil. On this side, it is 60% exposed with coverings. In this other end has 60% water. So again, we have a different type of vegetation, which you can see apart from the usual grass and the other vegetation. So comfortably you can identify, you carry samples, go and identify them with the herbarium person who will tell you which ones they are. Or you get a book which will guide you. So that is how to carry out a transect, such that you know those plants who are there, these plants are here. Is there a difference? And if we were to go further, you can see we have Cyperus and Typha at the further end. So that is a different kind of vegetation. This is in a valley, and therefore you find that it is surrounded by hills. So that is why you have tree vegetations around here. So this is an example of a transect. In natural conditions, you will have more than 4 meters transect. You can have 10, 20, and even 40 if we are in the sea. So that is the end of the demonstration of a transect on a wetland.